Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete process of deleting your Instagram account permanently using your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, at the top of the page, tap on Accounts Center. Inside the Accounts Center, scroll down a little until you find the Manage Accounts option, then tap on it. Here, you'll see all the Instagram accounts connected to your device. Find the account you want to delete, then tap on the Manage option next to that account. Then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now, Instagram will give you two options, deactivate or delete. If you want to permanently remove your account, then select the Delete Account option and tap Continue. Instagram will now show you that all your posts, reels, and account data will be deleted. Simply tap on Continue again. After that, Instagram will ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. Just select any option that matches your reason and continue. Instagram may also show you a page where you can export your account information before deleting your account. If you don't want to do that, simply tap on Continue. Now, you'll need to enter your Instagram password for security verification. Once you enter your password, Instagram will show you the date before your account gets permanently deleted. Until that date, you can still log back in and cancel the deletion if you change your mind. If you're sure you want to continue, simply tap on the Delete Account button. And that's it. Your Instagram account deletion request has now been submitted successfully. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.